Do what you love, and you'll never work a day in your life. Turning a passion into a profession, it's not easy. I'm giving it my all to make it happen. I am an actor, and I am also an educator in theater and writing, especially within international programs like Erasmus. Theater and writing are not just about creativity. These tools help people to develop empathy, communication, and self awareness. Through theater and writing, we can reflect on our own identities and we can learn to embrace those of others. Non formal education promotes openness, connection, and cooperation. We can learn from each other. We can grow together. And we can explore topics like social justice and inclusion in deeper ways. When you love your work, it never feels like a burden. There's joy in seeing how theater and writing can change lives. Each day offers a chance to grow, not just as a professional, but also as a person. The challenge that we face, enrich the experience, turning obstacles into opportunities. When you love what you do, each day is a new scene. It's a fresh page, ready to be filled with passion, with purpose, with love.